Is there anything that can make shoveling dirt and gravel any more appealing? I don't know. I landed on this 50-ish dollar Harbor Freight bed unloader. I had low expectations, but it was pretty nice. Now, don't get me wrong. What I really wanted was a mini excavator and a dump trailer. Like, that's the combo that really, really speaks to me. But I settled on this. This was a compromise for like $60 out the door and about 20 minutes, 25 minutes to put together. I used the instructions as a suggestion. So if you maybe read that a little bit more thoroughly, you can shave off some minutes. So the project at hand is we had to move the kayak cover over about 3 feet. And so I need to dig out the 3 feet to grade and put ground cover down and then add gravel. So you can see me struggle a little bit with like getting the rolling apparatus to work. That's not the fault of the thing. That's the fault of, instructions as a suggestion. They do come with a piece to kind of help it stay down. I find that while there's about 2,000 pounds on it, I prefer to not go, like a crank. I reposition it, pull it, reposition it. And then when it's about halfway empty, then it moves easier by crank. One thing I didn't see coming using this tool is the propensity to forget your shovel. I forgot it at the dump, and so I would highly recommend remembering your shovel because you do have to clean the edges a bit. All in all, I moved 2.5 yards of gravel, 2.5 yards of dirt. I took 2 trips to the dump and took about 20 hours to complete. So to finish this project, it needs to be leveled with a 2x4 and compacted with a gravel compactor. Because I'm putting a retaining wall all the way through the length of the deck down there, I'm going to wait to perfectly level it and compact it until I do that. Currently, I'm just running it over with the truck because anything's better than nothing. Stay tuned for more projects, and if you like this video, please subscribe.